Alright, this is the new motor we got for the 1971 Bird Engineering Falcon mini bike here. It's a 3.5 horse, but we had to put a three horse cam in it because it's got when it was on the tiller, I'll show you in a minute, it had the cam PTO shaft that came out of it, and the clutch would hit it, so we had to change out the cam, and it kind of leaks oil out of there where the cam used to come out, because a 3-horse crankcase wouldn't fit on it, so we had to use that one, and we didn't want to cut the old camshaft, so it leaks oil, and it lubes the chain for us, so it's such a nice feature, but you gotta add oil every once in a while to it, so, but it's a pretty good motor. It's kind of hard to start. It'll like seize up sometimes. It won't actually like seize up, but it'll lock up, and then when you pull it, it'll lift the whole mini bike up. It's yeah, it's a pain in the ass sometimes because it rips the damn pull cord out your hand and it hurts like hell. But yep, it's pretty much the same motor as the other one, but yep, there's that. Here, I'll do a cold start for you. There's a new 3.5 horse that comes before it, and there's the tiller it came off of back there. So, yep, it's been a pretty good mini bike. The only things that I've actually broke on the frame were this little identification plate that has a serial number on it, and it says Bird Engineering, which is how we figured out what it was. But we had no idea it was a Falcon. We couldn't figure that out till I was on the old mini bikes forum one day, and I saw a picture of one, and I was like, oh shit, that's the same one my friend has. And I looked at it, and the guy said it was a Falcon. I don't know if that's right or not, but that's what I was told, so, or that's what I read. So, yep, I just go by that. But yeah, it's a pretty good motor right there. Alright, I'll see y'all later.